Hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Welcome to the Facebook Live. And if you're watching this from YouTube, welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior YouTube channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, I'd like to share with you how to attract buyers into your business without overcomplicating the whole process. If this is your first time here and you're watching this from the Facebook Live, don't forget to follow me on Facebook by hitting that follow button on my profile. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, some hearts, and share this out to the world. If you're watching this from YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. So I got a question that came in from somebody on social media, one of the social media platforms that I'm on, and this person was asking me, how do I get more customers into my business? In other words, how do I attract more buyers into my business? Well, let me break it down for you. Many people who are promoting a business opportunity right now, no matter what business opportunity that you're promoting right now, if you have a business opportunity that you're promoting, they're struggling to attract buyers into their business, and they're having a hard time closing any sales. And a lot of the reason why they're struggling so much in getting buyers and closing sales is because a handful of them are not taking the time to learn how marketing works. They focus way too much on trying to pitch to everybody that they come across their business opportunity. They focus too much on trying to pitch their business opportunity to them. How many times have you had an encounter with somebody who friends you on social media, then blatantly tries to pitch their business opportunity to you without even having a real conversation with you first? Has that ever happened to you? Because it's happened to me before also. And I get really annoyed of these people because I can tell that if they're resorting to such sleazy, cheap tactics, cheap marketing tactics, I know that they're not fully understanding marketing. And let's say that you're not doing those things, but let's say you're pouring money into paid advertising. I notice a handful of people that I've personally talked to one-on-one over a Facebook Messenger conversation. I've noticed that there have been stories I've heard about people pouring money into paid advertising with Facebook ads, with solo ads, you name it. And because they didn't take the time to learn how that paid marketing strategy really works, they find that they didn't close any buyers, they didn't make any sales, and they end up losing a lot of money over it. Now, does any of what I mentioned to you sound like something that you're going through right now? Something that you can relate to? Because I'm going to tell you, attracting buyers, attracting those buyers that you want to close into your business, that you want to get sales, it's not easy. But when you understand these following 3 things I'm about to share with you, this can help you lay the foundation of what you need in place in order to start attracting buyers into your business and thus closing sales. So you may want to get out a pen and a piece of paper and be prepared to write these 3 things down. You got a pen and paper out? Awesome. So the first thing that you want to do, don't focus on making sales. Don't get so laser focused on making sales. What you want to focus on as the number 1 priority in your business is collecting leads. Collecting leads. As I learned from one of my mentors, Ace and Rich, they taught me that leads are the lifeblood of your business. That without leads, you have no business. And how can you create sales? How can you attract buyers? How can you create buyers in your business if you don't even attract any leads first? You can't. So make it a focus to collect leads into your business. That's the first thing. Then the second thing is you not only want to focus on collecting leads, but you want to focus on giving value to those leads, to those people who don't even know you. Now, I talked about this in one of my other previous videos, but I'll mention it here if you're watching this for the first time. When you're giving value, what it means to give value is to create content that is based around solving your audience's, your leads' problems that they're having and moving them away from that problem from pain into pleasure. That's what it means to give value to your leads. And then on top of that, and this is the third thing, you want to take the time to cultivate a know, like, and trust relationship with your leads. When you generate leads in your business, what do you notice? These leads are cold. They don't know who you are. So how can you expect leads that you're getting who don't even know who you are? How can you expect them to get positioned in whatever business opportunity that you're promoting when they don't even know who you are? They don't even know what makes you any different than all the thousands of other affiliates promoting the same business opportunity. If you go above and beyond and take the time to develop that relationship with your leads, it can be the most rewarding thing that you do in your business, because a lot of people that are marketing online right now, they're not taking the time to cultivate that relationship. I'll give you an example. When you see other marketers sending out emails to their list, you notice that they don't put a lot of thought and care into those emails. It's just basically about, buy this opportunity, this golden opportunity that I have right now. This will be gone within a certain amount of time. But they never really send out those emails in which that they connect with you, where they share with you stories that can relate to what your leads are going through right now. You got to take the time to cultivate that relationship. Something you got to realize is these leads that you're generating into your business, these are real people. These are actual real people with real problems that they're looking for solutions for. Keep that in mind going forward. And as long as you're following these three things, you're focused on collecting leads, you're giving value to those leads, and you take the time to build that know, like, and trust relationship, you do those three things consistently over the long term, you're going to find that you're going to have the better chances of getting more leads into your business and thus turning those leads, converting them into buyers and closing sales. With that said, I trust that you got a ton of value out of this video. If you're curious to know what can you do right now to start learning how this whole process works in detail, this is what I want you to do. If you are watching this from the Facebook Live, either to the right of this video or down below, I want you to comment the words "I'm interested," and I'll be sure to inbox you privately on Messenger with all the details on how you can get started. If you're watching this from YouTube, this is what I want you to do. There will be a link directly below in the video description for my #1 recommendation for making money online. I want you to click on that link, opt in with your best email. You'll be redirected to a page with a video presentation on it. Watch that video presentation all the way through, lock in your spot, and get positioned as soon as possible so you can start learning in detail how to get more buyers into your business so that you can close more sales and generate results as quickly as humanly possible. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video today. Have an amazing day, wherever you may be, whatever time that you're watching this from. And I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.